Hey guys, what's up? So to show top best royalties, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. The first 3 is called F My Hearing. This was the auto turn down of the volume due to health reasons. So disclaimer, I or the developer is not liable or responsible for any damage or hearing loss you may cause to yourself by using this tweak. Use it at your own risk. This video, just like all my other videos, is for educational purposes only. This tweak is called Checkra1n multitasking tweak for iOS 13 and 14. So with this tweak for iOS 13 and 14, you also press and hold the icon open the application as you normally would. This tweak is called Custom SW and customize switcher any way you want. So tweak add many changes to a switcher. Call apps to one swipe down. Change cards custom size. Change title color for switcher. Grid switcher with custom size. So to hide status bar and switcher. Animation switcher 2. Hide title. Hide icons. Remove the background blur. Change background colors. Change app names. Change app names in the switcher. Change app names color, and many more. Supports iOS 11 to 14.5. And iOS 14.6 was supported, which I don't think is even out yet. This tweak is called Color Flow 5 and Colors and Music. Match the plain UI to your music album artwork and adds an iOS 10 style music player on the lock screen. Supports iOS 13 to 13.5. This tweak is called Jailbreak Updater. Update Odyssey or Torrent without rebooting and re-jailbreaking. This tweak is called Sleepy Time. Displays the time until alarms in the stock iOS clock app. This tweak is called Notify Wi-Fi ETS. And notifies when you connect to the Wi-Fi extension configuration Wi-Fi menu. Skip the passcode, such as when you're connected to a specific Wi-Fi. Automatically turns off cellular data if you are on Wi-Fi connected to the whitelist. This tweak is called Grady. Brings YouTube Music or Google Music Player to iOS. This tweak is called Summer Pro. Package includes more than 100 mods for iOS. By mods doesn't mean hats. YouTube, so it means that you get like color applications, keyboard customizations, battery customizations, main customization, which you can read all about, lock screen customizations, top bar switcher, settings application, iPhone application, Twitter, camera, messages, Instagram, Cydia, Safari, photos, all those customizations. That's what it means by mods. When I hack anything, YouTube, please don't take down my video. The next tweak is called Emerald. Status bar widgets enhances your status bar with intuitive interactive widgets. So you get pills, volume, time, date, device connections, current condition, notification, Bluetooth devices, network upload and download, reminders, battery, media, temperature, calendar, bladders. I'm like just riding these out. Customization, return policy. This tweak is called Starfish Beta. The long-awaited this redesign is almost here. So supports iOS 14, redesigns the home screen with a beautiful new layout. Every detailed design has been meticulously redefined or refined from now how it interacts with the wallpaper to the gestures found throughout. So it is in beta, so you might experience some bugs. And these are some of the known issues. This tweak is called Zebra. It's a Cydia package manager alternative to Cydia. It's more modern, faster, way faster. You guys want to refresh those sources, you don't have to wait 5-10 minutes or even 15 minutes. You can literally refresh your sources in Cydia in within 20 seconds. So it's extremely fast, within even 5 seconds most of the time. It just adds sources a lot faster, refresh sources a lot faster. It's definitely a better updated version of Cydia. I still prefer Cydia, I love Cydia. But Zebra it has its perks over Cydia. You can't deny those. So there's also Cilio. There's Installer 5, which I never tried Installer 5. It could be good. I just never tried it. Cilio's pretty good, but I think Zebra is probably the best one. But I like Cydia because Cydia is the OG one. Cydia's been around for over a decade, so that's why it's a little slower. Zebra, Cilio, and Installer 5 are all within the last year or two, or even couple years. Next tweak is called Safari Plus. It gives you basically a bunch of features to Safari. So you have privacy features, upload and download features, usability features, action features, gesture features, customization. Supports iOS 8 to 14.4. This tweak is called CC Support and adds the ability for other developers to add their own modules to the control center. This is called Jailbreak Respring Logos. Jailbreak logos as a respring theme. Next tweak is called Jailbreak Resources. This is called Perfect Settings. Organize the main settings page to categories, search information, use cellular data, disk space, battery health, custom titles, cell, hide cell, arrow hide, cell separators, hide update badge, hide icon, disable edge to edge cells, round search bar, hide search bar. This is called Perfect Spotify, and also enhancement to your Spotify application. So you have all these miscellaneous features. Plain UI. car mode UI, podcast UI, colors, search page. Compatible with these Spotify versions. This tweak is called restriction, guest mode for iOS and iPadOS. So it's kind of like the Mac. We have like a guest mode. You let someone else use like your computer. You have that now for iOS or iPhone. Use that at your own risk, guys. I heard there's some cases that this could mess up, like, you know, getting back to like the original. If you like, I don't know, maybe if you like reboot or get into a non-driven state while you're in guest mode, it could just screw things up. So be really, really careful with this tweak. But how it's supposed to work and behave is, you know, you get a guest mode for someone else that uses your device, so then they can't, you know, snoop on your messages and apps and all that stuff. So, and photos. So it's like a great tweak for privacy. It's called Spring-Demise 5. Customize your device like never before. This is called Jarvis, powerful multi-center. So it places the notification center and control center in one place for easy access and much, much more. This is called Aquarius, makes the lock screen player better. This is called I Got Blind, and find your app icon location from a springboard search. If you have a bunch of apps like I do, and you can't find an app, because it happens to me sometimes, it just tells you basically where that app is. You can search it up and tells you exactly where it is on your home screen. Saves you the time of having to find the app you're looking for. And it's free. This is called I Got All Emojis, a tweak for Instagram app to enable short unnoticed emojis that Instagram has included into the sticker feature. This is called AF Social, and adds more features to the social media app, supports iOS 10 and later. This is called Home Gesture, and enables iPhone X home gestures on other devices. This is called Frida, injects JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Polo Profile Pictures for shows a Polo user profile pictures and short look when you receive a Polo notification. Last tweak is called DL Easy, and basically what this tweak does, allows you to download and share images and videos from social apps easily. Supports iOS 10 to 14. Supports these apps right there. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.